Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you the artisan journal page that I'm making for the collab that is hosted by Patty with Life with Patty. And this week's prompt was scrap paper. Every Sunday she gives a different prompt. And so for my journal page, I wanted to do a tutorial or at least show you how I put it together, but time got away from me. And so I used some tissue paper and then some pages that I made. These are actually pages from a old phone book. I did these pages probably over 10 years ago. Just acrylic paint, some homemade stamps, and stamped on top of it just different colors. And I also used some Faber-Castell gelatos. I'll show you that, as well as some little glitter and my Pacific Arc graphite stick, as well as a template that I had made. Let me see. Here it is. So I cut out a picture of a bird, and then for each body part, what I had done is I had glued it on top of, I don't know, maybe a carton or something, or a page. So it's a little bit stiff, and I used this as a template to cut out the bird on different pieces of scrap paper. And originally I had used this, I had made a little collage mixed media canvas that I actually have hanging in our bedroom, and I thought I would use it for the collage page. So here is my page with scrap paper. So what I did first is I glued down just different pieces of paper, and then I added some gesso on top of it, and then in this section I added the tissue paper. So I did that, and then what I did is I just took a pencil, this particular pencil here, just a 4B, and I drew in some leaves in the corner. And then I used this punch from EK to cut out these two pieces from just some scrap paper that I had. So I cut out these two pieces here and added them here, so I have a little area to do some journaling on this particular page. And then as you can see here, here are the pieces from different papers that I drew and then I cut out and then I glued on here. I also used my Micron PN pen to draw in the eye and just a little bit of the beak there. Then I used some of these glitters. I'd gotten it, had these for years, just never used them. As you can see, like, the bottles are practically still filled. And so I added a little bit of the yellow glitter here. Not sure if you can see it. See it there. And then a little bit of the pink and a little bit of black here. I also used the gelatos just to color in a little bit here with that pink, here with a little bit of the yellow. There's a little bit of orange here, a little bit more of the pink here. And I added a little bit of blue in some areas. And then with the, this is water soluble graphite. So this is an 8B. And I went around the bird as well as this area here. And then just with the water brush, just use it to dissolve that. And so this is, and then I went over it with some matte gel just to seal it in and have the date there. So yeah, this is my journal page. I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone else is making. I'm really enjoying this collab. It's every week Patty will give a prompt, so if you wanted to join in, just look up the hashtag artisan journal prompt 2024, so artisan journal prompt 2024, and with that hashtag you'll see all the other pages either that I've made, that other people have been making. So this is it is a 2-page spread because this was the actual journal that I took apart. So it is 2 pages, even though it will come out as one. I'll eventually bind it into one section. So for example, the week before, the prompt was Valentine, and so I have that page there. I just took the heart out so I can make that page. So I'm really looking forward to putting this all together, and I'm looking forward to the next prompt, which Patty will give us tonight for tomorrow. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.